Hello guys, hope you are doing great. I'm your host Mayank and welcome back to Video Tech. Today we are going to unbox this Realme 5 Pro from Realme. Okay guys, so without wasting your time, here is the box. So on the top you can see the Realme logo in the yellow. It's Realme 5 Pro. Book flash charge 3.0 and 48 megapixel quad camera is their main specialty. So this is the purple edition, and on the side you can see the Realme 5 branding, the Pro logo here, and the Realme sticker logo, and the back you can see the Realme 5 Pro thing here, which I guess you can see. Okay, so it's a sparkling blue edition and made in India. I guess it's assembled in India because this is a Chinese brand. So let's unwrap this packet. So this is the what we see inside the box. It says, "Hey, welcome to the Realme family." As I am the first one to buy this phone in the family, so this is our first Realme product. So let's see what we get inside it. So we get this Realme family thing, and let me take this out. Okay. So what we get inside? So inside it, we get a Realme manual, which I guess no one is reading nowadays in our generation. So let's keep it aside. Some more manuals, and we get this plastic case for protecting our phone. So that is very good, and I know that most of you guys are going to throw it away after the use of 1 month, and you're gonna buy the new case for your phone. So there are two cases available on their store, which you can see right now on the screen. The first one is the yellow one, and the second one is the grey one, and that looks cool. And the price is 399 rupees. So I will see that if I get one or not. So that's all for this package. Okay guys, so this is the phone which you can see right here. Let me take it out, and let's keep the phone aside for a minute, and let's see what we get inside the box. So yeah, we get a Whoop charger. It's a 3.0 charger, 3.0 Whoop charger, and it's very fast. So you can charge up your phone battery in almost 98 minutes. So it's almost 1.5 hours. This is a USB Type C cable, which you can see right now on the screen. Can you see this yellow thing? So this is the yellow micro, not the micro USB. I'm fed up taking the wrong name again and again, so please forgive me for that. So this is the Type C cable, and looks very good. So this is we got inside the box, other their phone. So let's keep all this aside and let's move on to the phone. So guys, here is the phone in my hand right now. So let's pull it out. Okay, so here it goes. I guess the camera is not doing justice for the look and the feel which I am getting feeling right now. And what a stunning phone! Can you see these crystals which are forming when I move the phone up and down? So this is the front, guys, and this is the back. See the back. These designs are awesome, and I am loving it. So guys, in the front we get a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display, and here is the 16 megapixel Sony IMX476 sensor. So this is the best camera we got on this phone, and the beast is on the back. So without wasting time, let's go to the back thing. And here we have a quad camera setup, and the primary is this one, which you can see in the circular, yellow circular, 48 megapixel shooter, and it is having a Sony IMX 586 sensor. So both the cameras are having the Sony IMX sensors. So that's a cool thing. On the right you can see the flash, and this is the fingerprint sensor. So here you can see the Realme branding, and this is the purple edition. So looks great. And moving on to this top. On the top there is a secondary mic for noise cancellation. So that's also great. And on the right hand side we get a power on off button, and on the left hand side we get volume up, volume down, and there is a SIM tray. So let's see what we get inside the SIM tray. So I have to find that SIM ejector tool which is inside the box, and I was hoping that it should be there. So let's see what we get inside the SIM, or are we getting any dedicated memory card slot or not. So wait for the surprise, guys. We got a dedicated micro SD slot as well. Let's boot this thing up. Okay guys, so this phone is having Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 SoC. So that's the best processor we can get in these cheap phones, and the price of this phone is 16,000 rupees. So you can go on the Realme site where you will get a discount of 1,000 rupees on this phone. Okay guys, so now as we have booted up the phone, so let's see what we get inside the phone. So this is the Color OS 6 which is powered by Realme, and this phone is powered by Android 9, the Pie version. So let's see the camera. So how the camera looks here. Let's take a front selfie from this camera. So there are many modes: video mode, portrait mode. Let's see if we can shoot on 4K or not. So now on the screen you are seeing the photos captured by this phone. So these are pretty good, and in low light conditions as well the phone performs really well. So let's go to settings of this phone to see what we get. So guys, this phone comes with a 8 GB of RAM and 115 GB free space, and the total is 128 GB. That is also great. And the processor is Qualcomm 712 octa-core, and we got the software Android version 9. So this is the Pi which I am seeing for the first time. Let's set up the fingerprint. So guys, the fingerprint is right now working. It's very quick, which you can see right now. It's like a snap. So right now my battery is low, so I will see you in a moment. The front camera lock. So let's see how it goes. So we have to go to security, or we have to go to, I guess, this one, fingerprint and all, and then face, and then enter the password. Enroll face. So I have to enroll the face right now. Continue. So face recognition is ready right now, directly with my face. So right now if I will turn this camera off, and whenever I am going to face it in front of me, it's open. So it's very quick. So that's all for this unboxing video, and I will be sharing with the link of this device in the description below, so you can go and buy from that link and support the channel. So I will see you in a moment. Okay guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this short and simple unboxing video, and I enjoyed a lot unboxing this Realme 5 Pro, which is a very awesome phone in the budget, and this cost me around 16,000 rupees for the highest variant, which is the 8GB and 128 gigs internal storage. That's a very cool phone which you can buy for 16k right now at the moment, and there are Diwali sales as well, so you can go and buy that product right now. I hope you all enjoyed this short and simple video. If you like this, then please give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, then go and hit the subscribe button down there, so that and also press the bell icon, so that whenever I upload the next video, you will be directly notified on your Realme 5 Pro if you buy this one or any one of your devices from where you watch YouTube videos. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy watching and Jai Hind.